Hey everybody, I'm going to demonstrate the crimp tube method. You see these little tiny beads in there? They are approximately 2 millimeters. And I'm using this 7 strand beadalon. I'm out of the 49, so we just take the little crimp tube and you feed it through. And I'm going to feed it back through for you guys. Yeah, it can get to be a little tricky. So we're feeding it through the little hole, and we're going to pull it up just a tad bit, like that. And I'm going to take this, as you can see, this has 3 little holes. So I'm going to use the middle one to crimp it down, and the top one, I'm just going to flatten that out at the top. And there you go.